Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for attending my presentation today. I'm delighted to be here and discuss an important topic in the industrial world, motion study as a key to efficiency in work system design. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sylvia Nurakim from Class B, and today I will reason how motion study can enhance work efficiency in industries and its role in the subject work system, measurement, and design. Today, I will talk about the fundamental concept of motion study, the method used, its application in the industry, and relevant case study. I have structured this presentation into several sections for better understanding. I have divided my presentation into 5 main sections. For the first, what is motion study and why is it important? For two, components of motion study. Three, method in motion study. Four, application in industry. And final, case study and conclusion. Okay, what is a motion study and why is it important? Motion study is a method used to analyze and improve human movement in the work process. The main purpose of this study is to increase efficiency in various steps of the work. Well, in motion study, there are 4 main points that are the focus of motion study, including the first is eliminating unnecessary movements. We know that in the work process there are often movements that do not provide added value or actually hinder the workflow. Motion study helps us to identify and eliminate ineffective movements. Thus, workers can do their job faster and more efficiently. Next, we also focus on workplace ergonomics. Good ergonomics are essential to ensure that workers work in the comfortable position and do not cause fatigue or injury. By paying attention to ergonomic aspects, we can increase worker comfort and productivity while reducing the risk of accident in the workplace. Next, we try to optimize production time and cost. With more efficient motion analysis, we can minimize the time required per each task. And of course, this is also directly related to cost reduction. All of these times to make the work process leaner and reduce waste. Finally, for the fourth, improve worker safety and comfort by paying attention to ergonomic factor and eliminating unnecessary movements. We also help improve worker safety. This is very important to maintain the physical condition of worker in the long term. According to Frank and Lillian Gilbert, motion study consists of several case steps. 1. Identifying work movements is observing how workers complete their tasks. 2. Eliminating unnecessary movements is removing movements that do not add value. 3. Standardizing effective movements is determining the best method to perform tasks. Next, applying motion economy principles is using the traveling concept to optimize movement sequence. Motion study can be conducted using various methods such as direct observation, watching workers perform their tasks to identify inefficiency. 2. Video recording. Analyze repetitive movements and evaluating per pattern. Uh, Turbine analyze. Examining basic motion like reaching, holding, turning per workflow diagram. Mapping movement sequence to reduce wasteful action. Motion study can be applied in various industrial sectors, such as manufacturing, warehousing, logistics, as well as service and retail. For example, in manufacturing companies, motion study can help improve the efficiency of the product assembly process. One application is to arrange tools and materials in such a way that they are easily accessible to workers, reducing unnecessary movements. For example, by arranging tools near the work location or using ergonomic shelves and work tables to make it easier for workers to pick up and put down material. In addition, motion study can also be used to reduce cycle time by identifying inefficient steps and redesigning work process. In this way, workers can complete their tasks faster without sacrificing quality, thereby increasing productivity while reducing fatigue and injuries. In the PPSR course, I study and analyze motion studies in a milk cake factory, which showed that reorganizing the workplace and providing assistive device can reduce packaging time, improve worker comfort, and increase production output. In addition, by standardizing efficient movements and minimizing unnecessary movements, the factory can increase production output while reducing operational costs. In conclusion, motion studies play an important role in increasing work productivity and efficiency. In work, in work system, measurement and design, the application of this method helps create an optimal work system design which ensures a balance between productivity and worker well-being. That concludes my presentation. To summarize, motion study help increase efficiency, reduce worker fatigue, and optimize production. For any further question, I provide a more detailed explanation in the accompanying YouTube video. Thank you for your attention, and I hope the information shared today was helpful. Bye guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.